welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn yourself into Lydia Deetz from Beetlejuice. I also did a Lydia Deetz tutorial last Halloween as well. I did a glam version of her in her red dress, so I'll have that linked down below for you guys to check out as well. And in that video, I'm also going to be showing you how you can style her wig as well. So if you want some information on how you can achieve this wig, definitely make sure you check out that video too. This is part of my Halloween series, so if you're not already, definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup look every weekday for the entire month of October, so you definitely don't want to miss it. You also don't want to miss the huge Halloween giveaway that I am doing here on my channel, so definitely make sure you stick around to the end of the video to hear a little bit more information on that as well. So anyways, with all that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can turn yourself into Lydia Deetz this Halloween, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so real quick, if you happen to like my wig, I actually show you how you can cut and style it in my previous Lydia video that I will have linked down below for you guys. So as you can see, I'm just starting off by popping in some brown contact lenses before moving on to taking my Fenty Skin sunscreen and applying this all over my face to help moisturize it. I'm then going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying this all over my face before moving on to my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Brightener and applying this under my eyes to help brighten and remove any of those dark circles before going into my Milani Supercharged Concealer in 120 Peach and applying that under my eyes as well because this is going to help add a little bit more color and warmth to that area. I'm then going to be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 220N and applying this all over my face with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. I'm then going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha and applying this to the areas that I now want to contour. So this is going to be under my cheekbones, my jawline, and then just making sure to go ahead and blend that out. Next, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 14 and applying this under my eyes and my chin, and I'm just going to make sure to blend that out and definitely make sure to alleviate any streaks. I'm then going to be taking my Airspun Translucent Powder and applying this under my eyes to help set that concealer, and then I'm going to be making sure to set the rest of my face as well. Next, I'm going to be taking my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm going to be taking this contour shade and applying this over the areas that we applied the cream contour. Not only is this going to help set the cream contour, but this is also going to help add a little bit more definition to my face as well. Next, I'm going to be going into the Banana shade from the palette, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes and bringing this down to my chin as well. For my highlighter, I'm going to be going into my Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter and just applying this to my cheekbones, and then we're going to be making a quick appearance from my dog Pinto Beans. She's such an angel and she just wanted to say a quick hello. Also say hello to my little sister Megan as well. I'm then going to be moving on to eyebrows, where I'm going to be starting off by taking my NYX Precision Brow Pencil and just sweeping this through my eyebrows to lightly fill them in, and before going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Brow Wow Pomade in Loretta and just applying this to the arch of my brow to help darken it, and then setting my brows with my Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. I'm then going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying this all over my eyelids before moving on to eyeshadow, where I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Mulan palette, taking Fighter, and on a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelids, starting at the outer corner of the crease and just blending that inwards. I'm then going to be going into Imperial, and I'm going to be applying this under my lower lash line, definitely making sure to blend this downwards because we're going to be starting to create her eye bags. I'm now moving on to a fluffy brush to do this to definitely help blend it downwards a little bit more before going into True, and I'm going to be starting off by applying this to the outer corner of my eyelid and softly blending this into the inner corner before once again applying this to my lower lash line and definitely making sure to start at the inner corner of the lower lash line and then just softly blending this outwards. Next, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Midnight Masquerade palette, and I'm going to be taking Quasimodo, and using this, I'm going to be doing the exact same thing. This is going to help add a little bit more of some red tones to the eyeshadow, and then I'm even going to be going into Fighter and applying this over my eyeshadow, and this is really going to help neutralize the look a little bit more. Next, I'm going to be going into my L'Oreal Silk is Me eyeliner in charcoal, and I'm going to be tightlining my upper lash line before bringing this down to my lower lash line as well, just pulling this really close to my eyelashes, and then I'm even going to be applying this onto my waterline too. Next, I'm going to be taking a pencil brush and just blending my upper lash line before going ahead and prepping my eyelashes by curling them, and then going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just sweeping this through my upper and my lower eyelashes. For my false eyelashes, I'm going to be taking my Kiss number 11s, and I'm just going to be applying that to my upper lash line before moving on to lips. I'm going to be going right into my ColourPop Animal Crossing Peach Surprise Lip Pencil, and I'm just going to be applying this to my lips before going into my Rawmand Glass Sting lip color in number 8 Rose Stream, and applying this to the center of my lips as well, and just blending that out with my finger. And that is my completed Lydia makeup tutorial from Beetlejuice. Once again, if you want to check out the wig tutorial for this look, I will have it linked down below, as I did feature it in my previous Lydia makeup tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind-the-scenes sneak peeks of upcoming makeup tutorials before anybody else, and it really does help support me and my channel. So once again, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Hey Spoops, cutting in for a minute to tell you how you can enter in my Halloween giveaway worth over $200, where one of you will be winning all of these Halloween makeup goodies. This giveaway is going on from October 1st to October 31st at midnight, aka like November 1st at midnight, like in between, that in between space, that one. So in order to enter into my giveaway, you first need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next is to leave a comment on my 2021 Halloween makeup tutorials. My Halloween makeup tutorials that I'm going to be uploading this month, it's ideally going to be one every weekday for the entire month of October, which comes out to 21 makeup tutorials. They are the tutorials that I'm going to be selecting the winner from. And the way that I'm going to be doing it is 21 makeup tutorials. I'm going to number them 1 through 21 and have a random number generator select a random number between 1 and 21, and I'm going to select that video associated with that number and have a random comment generator select a comment from that video. You can most definitely comment on all of my videos, and that gives you the best chance of entering, because that way you consistently have a comment on every single video, so that way whenever the video is picked randomly, you are definitely entered in that area. Third is you definitely need to make sure that whenever you leave a comment, this is very important, that you leave your Instagram handle tagged in the comment. I'm going to be DMing the winner through Instagram, so definitely make sure that your profile is public on Halloween, so that way I can DM you and let you know that you won. But I will need to be able to find you. If I click on your comment, I'm gonna need to be able to find you, so please leave your Instagram handles in the comments whenever you leave a comment throughout the entire month, just because I want to be able to message you and let you know that you won, because otherwise I won't really have a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, this is unfortunately only open to US residents only. This is the first giveaway that I am doing. I would really love to open it up internationally in the future. However, because this is the first giveaway, I want to make sure that it goes well, so I'm going to leave it US only for now, and then hopefully in future giveaways I can make it international. And because I'm not sure if I need to say this or not, no purchase is necessary in order to enter to win, and we will only be having one winner for all of these fun Halloween goodies. So I'm so excited. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and back to the video.